In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up customizable trade alerts in TradingView. Step by step, we'll discuss what the settings mean, and I'll give you some ideas on how you can build an alert that matches your particular strategy. Firstly, what are alerts? TradingView alerts are basically your personal market assistant. You tell it what to watch for, and it notifies you instantly when it happens. That way, you don't have to stare at charts all day. You can set the alert to trigger at a specific market price, indicator value, or whatever condition your strategy requires. Let's start with the easiest way to create an alert by right-clicking on the chart in TradingView. On the chart, click the left mouse button and the crosshairs will appear. Hover over the exact price level you want to use as the trigger for the alert. Right-click and choose Add Alert from the menu. Alternatively, you can use the Alerts button. Click the alarm clock icon on the right-hand toolbar. Then, click the plus Create Alert button. If you like to use shortcuts, you can press Alt and A on Windows, or Option and A on a Mac. This instantly opens the alert creation window. Now we need to set up the alert. In the Create Alert window, you can see several options. Let's go through the options one by one in the Alert Settings tab. Symbols. This is the ticker or currency pair that you'd like the alert to monitor. Condition. This is the trigger for the alert. In this example, the alert would be triggered if the price crosses this specific value. The box with the word value is the thing you want to compare the price against. If instead we draw a trend line, we could choose this as the reference to initiate an alert. We can repeat this with many other tools. For example, let's draw a parallel channel. Now we can use the parallel channel as the reference to trigger the alert. Once you've chosen the reference, you then select the trigger from the drop-down menu above. In this example, the alert would be triggered when price exits the parallel channel. Depending upon which reference you've chosen, you'll get different options for the trigger. Next, we can take a look at the trigger frequency. Once only. This is where the alert triggers only the first time the condition is met. Once per bar. This is where the alert triggers the first time it happens in a new candle. Once per bar close. This only triggers after the candle fully closes, avoiding false signals. Once per minute. This will trigger every time the condition is met, but not more than one time in a period of 1 minute. Expiration time. This is how long you want the alert to be active waiting for the trigger before it stops checking. This could be hours, days, weeks, or open-ended. The Message tab allows you to create a unique name and write a customized message so you know exactly which alert has been triggered and why. The Notifications tab is where you decide how TradingView notifies you. TradingView can show on-screen alerts, alert via text and email, or to another app or bot. This is perfect for automated trading. If you have TradingView on your mobile, make sure to enable push notifications in your mobile app settings so that you can receive real-time alerts on your phone. After you've chosen your settings, you just need to click on Create, and your alert is now live. Clicking on the alarm clock on the right-hand side will show which alerts are active. You can double-click on them to edit, or click on the trash can to delete them. There is also a pause button, which will manually stop the alert. You can reactivate it by clicking play. You now know exactly how to set up, customize, and manage alerts in TradingView. There's a link in the description if you'd like to open a free or paid TradingView account. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you have a favourite alert that works particularly well, then please pop a note about it in the comments below to share the learning.